Hello guys, let me take you through the lower part of Indian Ocean. As you can see, the environment there is very green, very green. So that is Indian Ocean, lower part of it, and you can be able to see the Shimba Hills. That is Shimba Hills. Yeah, that is. You look very beautiful environment. Very beautiful environment. Yeah, vegetative around along the ocean. You can see. Can see. Huh? There is a project going on over there. If you can see, it's very far from here. So I'm trying to zoom it. Hmm. The place is so nice. That is Indian Ocean from the lower part. You know, you people, you have been only going to the sandy beaches. This is the other part. Yeah, you can see vegetative around it, which is very nice. You can breathe very fresh air. Huh? This is the nicest of all. You can see fishing, fishing on going on there. Someone is trying to have provide. Can you see that? Oh my God! This natural environment. Eh? You can breathe a very fresh air. Very nice place. This wild fruit. You can. This very healthy fruits. Wild. Eh? Actually, this is what we grew up in reserve over there. This was a very vitamins. No, not vitamins. Protein. Not protein. What do you call the? Eh? You can Google it. Hmm? Look at this environment. Very fresh, very fresh. I think if you could be in America, you could hear, oh, what a nice place. Eh? What a beautiful vegetative. Now come to my country, Kenya. Hey, unajua hapa ukosi na nyoka hapa. Hapa ukosi si nyoka kabisa hapa. Kenyans. Okay. Wow.